don't know about you, but just because the summer season has come to an end does not mean that my salad season is over. I love salads all year round. And if you've watched some of my recent videos, you know that I've come into an abundance of apples from my mom's apple tree. And I still have a big bag full because she had buckets full. So why not add apples to your salad? I'm going to. The options are endless with combinations of different types of salads that you can incorporate your apples with. But I'm gonna just show you two today that I have been enjoying this fall season. Let's go ahead and check out the ingredients in salad number one. I'm starting with a bed of greens, a mix of arugula and some baby spinach. I've roasted some small pieces of carrots as well for this salad, and then adding some crunch with celery pieces. You know I love cheese. So a nice combination for this one is some sharp cheddar cheese. For a little bit of crunch, I also added walnuts, and then I really like slicing my apples into these sort of larger pieces because I find I really want to taste the apple in this. I don't want to let it get lost. So a nice big crunch is definitely what I'm going for. And it also looks really pretty. I've added some croutons on here as well, and I'm making my own salad dressing. It is a simple combination of equal parts mayo, sour cream, a little bit of apple cider vinegar, honey, lemon, and poppy seeds. I never measure. I just like to go by taste. Whether you want it a little bit more vinegary or sweeter, you can adjust your acids and your honey. This salad absolutely hits the spot. It's hearty, it's delicious, it gives you a nice combination of sweet and savory, and oh, I highly recommend you give it a try. Now for salad number two, versatility. I had a little bit of couscous and a little bit of quinoa left in my pantry. So I put these two together to make a nice bountiful salad, especially because I was having guests over as well. But you can use just couscous, just quinoa, or, you know, combine the two like I did for this next salad. So I've cooked my quinoa and couscous as directed on the package and let it cool. I'm adding celery, radish, apples, and an abundance of feta cheese. For my dressing, sour cream, apple cider vinegar, some honey, Dijon mustard, a lemon juice, some fresh stuff there, and a little bit of mayonnaise, shaking it up. I'm not using all of the dressing onto the mixture right now, but almost all of it so that it's beautifully coated. Then when I put it on a bed of greens, I add the rest of the dressing. I sure hope that even if you don't have an apple tree in your life, that you are incorporating apples into your salads this season. Thank you for watching another edition of The Silly Kitchen, and I'll see you again soon.